Object detection with personal voice assistant using Python.
Welcome back. The current time is 1 hour 42 minutes and 21 seconds. The current date is 10/3/2024. Hey. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me how can I help you? Listening.
Open object detection software.
You said object detection. Opening object detection system.
So Jarvis opened the object detection software. Let's select any image file. User can also upload the video file. Then model will detect the object using Yolov7 algorithm. So it can detect the object and recognize that particular object from that particular image file.
Listening.
Send email.
You said send email. What should I say? Listening. Who is the receiver?
So let's enter the receiver email address. I'm just entering the demo email ID. After writing, we have to click on OK button. So it will send the email on that particular email ID which you written.
Email has been sent.
This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friends. Thank you.